Hello, welcome to Roost fans. We're going over a pretty standard core build on this newer model Mercedes Sprinter, where we did all of our pre-wiring, which is a standard kind of future-proofed wiring package that goes into our single point power panel that we designed here at Roost fans. Now, this power panel in this configuration lets you power all your in-point power needs, such as lighting, etc., vent fan, off of your engine battery. It also allows you to connect a Goal Zero power bank to power all your van needs. We outfitted this van with our mounting system as well as our upper bamboo paneling package. We have a lower coin wrap and we left the floor as is. Now this DIY customer brought us this van so we could do a core build, and then we're providing him with our bed system that he can install at a later date. We also installed a couple of overhead cabinets that attach immediately to our mounting system, has an adjustable shelf inside. Also installed a simple max air vent fan. Visit us at roostfans.com for more info and more information on our core build package.